Get excited about the 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like fully automatic headlights, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, rear parking sensors, blind spot sensor, adjustable pedals, removable floor console, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.